the community talk about you, that your husband isn't what you hoped. He no longer care about your family, just playing around for some fun. Wonder if your love will soon end. Hearing their words makes my heart ache. Listening again brings my heart deep pain. Oh heaven, my dear, I still love. Why has your life become this broken? How could it fall ending like this? I know our fate was never aligned. I know I was never meant for you, yet I still love and still care about the life you're living now. I just say this word and let go. If he changes, becomes kind again, please love him until your final day. But if he makes your life fall apart, then come back to the one who cares. The one you left still waits for you. Just say this word and let go. If he changes, becomes kind again, please love him until your final day. But if he makes your life fall apart, then come back to the one